the jug.
Wow.
Yeah, we used to shake like 10, 25 pennies a morning,
Damn.
every morning. And then a couple mornings later, my father started figuring out the penny jar low.
Okay.
So, you know, he cheap. How you watching a penny jar?
You robbing the bank right now.
Don't you got to be at work while you watching a penny jar?
Yeah, man, you can't be focused on that.
Yeah, man, come on now. But that's funny. Yeah, so do you stand with the strike, or like are you against it?
I always stand with actors because I work with actors a lot. So whatever they do, I'm kind of for it.
Yeah.
At the same time, I'm also a producer.
So you're kind of caught.
Well, we're at the opposite ends of the striking pool.
Yeah, so it's like, where do you stand? Where you you want your 6 cents, or you want?
Yeah.
Where we going?
I stand with the actors because I know they need money for their work, and they work hard. So give them some livable wages.
Give them 60 cents.
Yeah, give them 60 cents.
600
and,
cents.
You know, I also, you know, I understand the industry where it's going with streaming. The revenue is just not there anymore. But I think the producers should pay the actors a better wage.
Absolutely.
But we also have to understand that there's new technology, streaming, new methods, and so we have to be a little bit flexible. You know, we don't want to pay people and then go bankrupt and then close down shop forever. So we have to supply actors with money, and also we have to keep the business running in the face of streaming, which is like a revolution. So we have to come to a conclusion. We have to work out the best deal for everybody. So I'm definitely for the actors, but I'm also in favor of kind of knowing more about these streaming companies and getting more from them.